There you go.
What you doing, mate?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
New car.
Yeah.
Oh, it smells good.
Smells good. It's pretty good, yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's got the good wax.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah. Six wax.
All right, you want to follow me?
Yeah, mate.
Do you want to just follow me to my place, or you just need to get to port, don't you?
Yeah.
Or do you want to come to my place and get stuff out of your car and put it in your car?
Yeah.
Your new car, old car, yeah.
Alright, I'll just put up the GPS. Or I'll just follow
Yeah,
you.
just follow me. I'll make sure that I don't get out of reach.
R&B Fridays, Maz and like the R&B tunes continue. Have a good week.
We're done. We're
Oh, that's filming.
Games over the weekend.
It's filming.
I'm super pumped about
It's
that.
really film. I'm ready to film.
Here.
I'm on the film.
This weekend. As much
I'm in a
as
film.
being a great parent.
In a film.
45.
In a film. Oh, is that a Mazda behind me? Oh, that's a pretty blue Mazda.
You see that the torch
You can't see it.
Do you see that?
You can't see it on the film. You can't see it on the film. I've got a lot to do today. I've got a lot to do. I'm going to go meet Mum for a coffee. I'm going to go to a swimming carnival and take some sunscreen lotion to my son. He puts the lotion on his skin or he gets the hose again. Not really, just kidding. I don't treat my kids like that. What the fuck's wrong with you? Jimmy Trick Vlogs! Yeah! Woo!
Thank you to everyone who came on the show.
Yeah!
Guys, have a great weekend. Check out the podcast. It's a special weekend edition podcast, question mark. Are we doing that? Yes.
Fuck you looking at? Oh yeah, we're gonna race the Ranger! Run da 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 da. Brrrr. Brrrr da 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 da. Brrrr da 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 da. Brrrr. Yee-haw! Brrrr. Oh, where'd that Ranger go? Where'd the Ranger go? Oh, he all the way back there! Oh, he long way back! Oh my God! You! Just cruising around in the Skyline today. Got a new Skyline. It's fucking mad, eh? It's got a body kit. Fucking auto. Got a radio and that. Yes! No, but anyway, I've got Utsav's car and I'm detailing it for him because it was his big day and he got a new car. It's nice too. He got a Mazda 3 SP25. It's got double poo chutes. 2 poo chutes. It's pretty sick. 10k. Cash. The cash money. I'm in a pretty good mood today. I've got a lot of energy. I feel light today. The last week, a bit more, I felt a bit heavy and been a bit sort of living life. But today I'm like, yeah! Fuck yeah, living fucking life! Yes! It's, you know, it's up and down and up and down and up and down. That's life, isn't it? Oh, we're gonna have a good day today. I had a good day yesterday. I hope you enjoyed yesterday's vlog. I fucking enjoyed it. You know what? That ain't too bad, Gladys. Oh, yeah. Let's go and enjoy the day. Nah, 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 nah. Look at this guy. I'm just trying to vlog and I run into these weirdos. You just like in Bunnings and find strange people like this.
What's going on?
I better stay me 1.5. No mask, man.
So no holding hands.
Oh, you can hold hands. You just got to stand 1.5 apart. It's all right.
So
we're big
like
fellas, so
by arm,
we're good. Bunnies! You buying some kids' play stuff? Oh, there's the playground up there. Oh. How are we meant to test it out?
Oh, that's only for kids.
So adults can go and test ride it,
test
yeah.
It's
Yeah.
good for the kids.
You're just not meant to climb on it. You can use it safely though.
You can jump, you
Jump.
can't climb.
Yeah, just don't climb up like they, like at Macca's. Where they say don't climb up on the
You
roof.
can go and get a mower and put it in there and see if it fits if you like.
Oh, that'd be cool. Get a ladder.
I just want to see if this will fit in here. This is the mower I want to get, and this is the shed I
Go
want to
find
get.
one of those little one of these. That's what it is.
What, a trolley jack. Like a jack.
I'll jack you up. Yeah, I'll jack you off over there. I mean, jack you up. Yeah.
Off and up. Isn't that the thing you want?
Oh, imagine if that's what you needed.
Just grab this. Grab the dog kennel. Come up.
Oh yeah, well, isn't that what that's for? So you can reach. Oh, team. They got themselves covered with signs everywhere.
I'm a member. I'm a Bunnings member, so I'm technically a team member.
Just get a job here and then
Just to climb.
do whatever you want on the weekends. We've got privacy screens along here.
の演奏玉たまま一度ついておいで世界中魅了するほどに豪華なジャパン一番ジャンプランさうちらの出番テリヤキボーイズ in the place to be 見せてやろうリジナル VIP
Many diamonds dangling